to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to track a stuck pending transaction and speed it up in Etherscan. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to track and speed up a stuck transaction on Etherscan, all you gotta do is first of all verify your status on the Etherscan site using the transaction hash. If it's pending due to low gas fee, you can simply speed it up by using your wallet's speed up feature, which resubmits the transaction with a higher gas price. Using the same transaction, nonce, or by manually creating a new identical transaction with a higher fee. So first of all, you need to trace the transaction on Etherscan, speed up the transaction using your wallet speedup feature or manually creating a replacement transaction. So this is how you can trace a stuck or pending transaction and speed it up in Etherscan. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.